fucking cold. It's fucking windy. Look at that tree. Look at that tree. Look at that fucking bird. The fuck, bird? Fuck you, bird. Shit. I can't believe I stalled my bike. What the hell? I haven't stalled my bike since I fucking got it. I think it's because it's cold. But what's going on, everybody? Maori Rides here, bringing you another special video brought to you in part by Julio's Insurance. Go get your insurance from them. Ya sabes. But yeah, guys, go check out Straight to 5 to see his point of view. That's just pretty funny. I see you, fucker. Typical shit with this guy. We're gonna go eat somewhere, like always. Touch her. We're gonna go eat somewhere like always. Yeah, let's see where we go. This guy said McDonald's, but I fucking doubt he was serious about McDonald's. I don't know why he puts his mirrors in. Oh shit, I think I know why. Oh, fuck, that was close. Stacy! I want to talk to you guys about something right now, but once I get moving, because why didn't we fucking lane split? I just realized that we could have fucking gone in front of everybody. Gosh darn it. Gosh darn it, man. This fucking guy doesn't want a lane split ever. So I have a fucking Cena now, and this motherfucker has had a Cena for a long ass time. And this fucking dumbass didn't fucking charge his Cena. And I've had my shit for like, what, 2 weeks? And this fucking guy decided not to charge his fucking Cena, bro. Like, boy. Look at this guy. Disappointing me, man. Disappointing me. Goddamn! Whoa, you're forgetting your blinker again. Come on now. Let me tell him real quick. Oh, it always happens so. Got my girl Stacy in the back. You know, bringing her on every ride from now on. But I wanted to talk to you guys about a Patreon account that I made. A subscriber a while back brought it up that since YouTube isn't paying me yet, like, I'm not doing YouTube for the money, I'm just doing it for entertainment, you know, if I got time, which I do have a lot of time on my hands. But yeah, he told me to make a Patreon account, you know, and I didn't really know what that was until recently. I started looking that up, and I mean, I think it's pretty cool, you know. It's not expensive as fuck. I'm not asking for donations. If you want to do it, you know, go ahead. Link down below in the description. If you don't want to do it, you just want to watch the videos, you know, that's fine as well. You're still helping me out, so thank you. But either or, do what you want to do. But if you want to follow me on Patreon, this is how it works. So there's tiers that you buy. For me, I only have 3 tiers. I didn't want to fucking make it too complicated. So there's tier 1, regular tier, it's only $1 a month, I believe. Tier 2 would be $3 a month, and then tier 3, which is the highest tier, would be $5 a month. So, you know, it all matters if you wanna spend the money on me or not. But all I know is all that money is either gonna go onto anything for the bike or, you know, shit like that. But yeah, check it out, link down below. It should be the first link. Damn, I need new fucking rear brake pads. You okay, baby girl? Okay. Oh, we're going to the gym. Beautiful 24-hour. Let's go. Let's go. Motherfucker. I have no clue where we're going, so I'm not gonna be in the front. Damn, this fucking shit pops, bro. What kind of belt is he wearing? Is that a Gucci belt? What the hell? I think he's wearing a Gucci belt. Damn, son. I see you. I fucking see you. Oh, can't forget, we also got Batman right here. Can't forget him. And Wonder Woman down over here on my key tag. Can't forget that. Boys and ladies. Boys and ladies. Let's check up on my girl Stacy real quick. Stacy, you good? Stacy, put your dress down. God damn it. Yeah, it's too big. Typically, this guy doesn't even like riding on windy days, so I don't even know why the fuck we're riding right now. He never rides on windy days. So, I was kind of caught off guard that he actually wanted to go ride today. Because like I said, he never wants to ride on windy days. Never! Like that? Shit. Bro, this guy better fucking lane split. Fucker. Fucking. Flacka. No mames, cabrón. Huh? It's not on. Yeah? It's not on. No? Hey, is my shit leaking? Did I not tighten it right? Look up at me, motherfucker. Hey, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Come on now, have some respect.
¿Te has dado cuenta de qué estoy hablando o no? ¿No? ¿O qué?
You're motovlogging in Spanish? Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Straight of 5 Speed aquí.
Hola amigos, canal de Straight of 5 Speed.
No mames.
Let's go ir a ver.
You fucking scared her. Oh, my leg! My legs! I was like... Fool, this guy better not fucking take me to Arby's. Hey! We better not go to Arby's. We better not go to Arby's. Huh?
¿No te gusta?
No, no me gusta. This fucking guy's doing a moto vlog in Spanish, bro.
No like? How you say?
Fucking fool. Hey!
Hey, la volteé porque está mirando para allá.
Oh, okay.
Está mirando para allá. Puta, no le mirando por cabrón.
Some off-roading real quick. No fucking way you fucking brought me to the Pollo Loco. No fucking way. Fool, no way you brought me to the Pollo Loco.
¿Por qué?
Fool, there's one in Oxnard.
¿Por qué?
Mi novia.
Azula la wea.
Hey, es de verdad.
Es celoso el güey.
Es mi perra. Fool, are we gonna park here?
¿Eh?
Are we gonna park here? This guy fucking brought me to El Pollo Loco. My goodness, bro.
No podemos ir al pinche al Taco Bell.
Five guys.
¿Eh?
Five guys.
¿Los 5 hombres?
5 hombres. 5 hombres.
¿Qué te gusta que te den?
Salchicha.
¿Carne?
Salchicha.
¿Una salchicha?
Salchicha. Hot dog. Ah, cabrón.
Dice baby.
Mira esos ojos azules, mira.
La agarras bien cabrón, güey.
Si le gusta.
Take it easy.
Por eso tienen las manos así.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
No la ha peinado.
1 hour later.
I don't know, but fool.
¿Tristes? And press it, it gets better signal.
Oh, does it really?
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Alright everybody, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to smack that like button, comment down below any feedback on the video, shit like that. Subscribe if you're new. This is Maori Rides, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want.